One mistake online can destroy your life, and sometimes it starts with just one WhatsApp message. Imagine waking up and realizing your WhatsApp account is gone. Your friends are receiving fake messages from your number, and someone is asking them for money in your name. This is not a movie story. It's happening to thousands of people every day. Let's take a real life situation. A young man named Ali received a message on WhatsApp from an unknown number. The message said, "Hi, sorry, I accidentally sent a 6-digit code to your phone number. Can you please send it back to me?" Ali thought it was a simple mistake. Maybe someone typed the wrong number, so he replied and sent the code. But within seconds, something strange happened. His WhatsApp logged out automatically. He tried to log back in, but he couldn't. Meanwhile, his friends started receiving messages from his account saying, "Hey, I'm in an emergency. Can you send me some money right now?" Because the message came from Ali's number, some people trusted it, and they actually sent money. By the time Ali realized what had happened, the scammer had already used his account to scam multiple people. So, how does the scam actually work? It's simpler than you think. First, the scammer tries to log into your WhatsApp account on another phone. When they do this, WhatsApp sends a 6-digit verification code to your phone. But the scammer cannot see that code, so they trick you into sending it to them. They send you a message pretending it was sent to you by mistake. If you send them the code, they immediately log into your account. Once they gain access, they can read your messages, contact your friends and family, ask people for money, and sometimes even lock you out of your own account. All this can happen in just a few minutes. To protect yourself from WhatsApp scams, follow these 3 simple rules. Tip number 1. Never share your 6-digit verification code with anyone, not even with friends or family. Tip number 2. Turn on 2-step verification in WhatsApp settings. This adds an extra password that scammers cannot easily bypass. Tip number 3. If someone asks for money on WhatsApp, always call them first to confirm. Never trust a message blindly. The internet is powerful, but it can also be dangerous if we are not careful. Stay alert, stay informed, and if you want to learn more about online scams and digital safety, make sure to subscribe for more digital safety tips.